The operation of this machine is distinguished by its efficiency and precision in the assembly process of OLED modules through vision and weighing systems. Once the cycle starts, Robot 1 will pick one of the brackets previously loaded by the operator. The NE feeder will move to feed and flip the brackets until they are correctly positioned. Robot 1 will pick it up and place it in the centering station, leaving it ready for Robot 2. Once the loaders rise and the tray's correct encoding is verified, the vision system will inform Robot 1 of the OLED's position so it can pick it up. After picking up the OLED, it will perform a check to ensure it is correctly held and take it to a QR code reader to verify the OLED is correct. If all is correct, Robot 1 will place it in the bonding cabin using vacuum suction. Robot 2 picks up the bracket from the centering cabin and moves it to a plasma treatment station to prepare the surface for better adhesive bonding. The bracket is transferred to the adhesive station, where adhesive is applied with precise alignment based on exact coordinates. Robot 2 moves to the bonding cabin to assemble the module. The cabin's vision system provides precise OLED coordinates for accurate alignment. Bonding is achieved using 4 load cells, with the robot lowering components until the target weight is reached, then pausing 5 seconds for uniform bonding. Once the assembly is complete, Robot 2 places the module on the output conveyor belt for inspection, which will indicate if the bonding is correct. If everything is in order, the module will exit through the conveyor. If not, it will be redirected to the rejection conveyor.